in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please excuse the noise in the background. What you hear is my air fryer. I'm making some wings. Alright, so anyway, in today's video we will be doing a Valentine's Day card box. And as you know, I have twin boys, and so I just wanted to boyify this box for them. The teacher asked for us to get with the children and make them a box, but I don't know about you. Just let me know in the comments if you are that mom that when the projects come home you get excited because you're going to be able to create. They may write their names on it. We'll see, even if they get a chance to do that. But anyway, these are from the Dollar Tree, and I have some products, of course, that I have at home because, as you know, my saying goes, what you need is in the house, and it is. So stay tuned if you like these types of videos and see what we come up with.
So what we'll be using today is this chalkboard contact paper that I had from a previous project, as well as some old birthday party decor from last year's birthday party, a card from this birthday. We may use it, we may not. And I also have some leftover baggies. I could use that for a pop of color, like construction paper, as well as this gift bag for a pop of color as well. So we'll see.
Baby, I only want you.
And as you can see, this contact paper has lines on it, so it's easy for me to measure out and cut.
I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful.
Had I planned accordingly and not waited to the last minute, felt would have been nice. But I did have this contact paper on hand, and it worked out pretty well sticking to the cardboard.
I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing.
And where is Mike Life when you need him to do your voiceovers for you, just to make everything come alive? Mike!
They sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know. They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward, with sparks in the air.
So from what I was seeing, I needed a pop of color, and this paper that I found in my daughter's folder was the ticket. No longer need that flyer, so we're going to cut it on up.
Ooh, they would be together. Ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing, probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining.
So when you don't own a Cricut, you freehand. So right now I'm just freehanding the Batman sign, or the logo, that is.
Ooh, baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
And so now with this BAM sign, he can write his name.
They were in high school when they met,
And with that in place, we are done.
with sparks in the air. He would stare at her in class, and she would try to act.
Thanks so much again for watching. Happy Valentine's Day, and God bless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for when I upload my next video.